Good morning to all of you. How are you? It's very hot outside, I know. So you have to stay at home because it's a lockdown. Just be safe and drink all the juices and all and eat green vegetables and fruits. Okay. So, um and study. Okay. So you need to study. I know it's summer vacation time, but it's lockdown time. So you need to study a lot. So in the previous class, we have learned about rounding off to 100. So in this particular class, we will learn about Roman numbers, like how we write number 1 in Roman, number 2 in Roman, like so. It's interesting, very interesting. And let me tell you one thing. When I was a kid like you, this used to be my favorite topic. I just loved Roman numbers. I hope you will also love this. So let's just get started. Roman numerals. Now, Hindu-Arabic number system uses the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Okay? So symbols. What are the symbols we use for like 1, what we use for 2, what we use for 3, like this. So for 1, we use the symbol as I. Okay. For the symbol 5, we use V. For 10, we use X. 50, we use L. 100, we use C. 500, we use D. And 1000, we use M. These are the main symbols we use for the numbers. Now there are certain rules we have to follow while writing the Roman numerals for the certain number. What is the first rule? Roman numerals I, X, C and M can be repeated at the most thrice. Like these numbers can be repeated at most 3 times, not more than that. And the number formed is the sum of the Roman numerals used. And what will be the number formed? That will be the sum of the Roman numerals used. For example, if I write X, 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 okay, 3 times I have written, thrice I have written X. So, if it is told what is the number for this Roman numeral, the answer will be X is used for 10. So if it is written 3 times, we will just add 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Clear? This is the first rule. If the Roman numeral is used 3 times, that means we have to add the number. The number formed is the sum of the Roman numerals used. This is the Roman numeral used for 10. So we will write the sum. What is the answer? 30. So this is triple X means 30. Now second rule says the letter V is never repeated. This V is never repeated. Like X is repeated 3 times, but V is never repeated. Okay. Now third rule says each I that comes before V or X, subtract 1 from the value of V or X. For example, if I have written IX, that means I comes before X. I comes before X. So in that case, what we will do? We will subtract the value of this number from X. X means 10. So we will write 10 and we will subtract I. I means 1. This is equal to 9. So Ix is equal to 9. If it is told to write 9 in Roman, we will write Ix. Clear? You have to remember all the rules. Okay? If I is written before V or X, we will subtract 1 from the value of x or v. We will subtract 1. 1 is subtracted. Why 1 is subtracted? Because I means 1. Clear? Now fourth rule. Each I that comes after v. Now here it was before v. Here it is after v. बाद में. In this case we will add 1. In this case we will add 1. And in the before one we will subtract 1. Clear everyone? So if v is written before I, like I comes after v. In this case what we will do? We will add. What we will add? We will add 1 to the value of v or x. V means 5. So we will add 5 plus 1. If it was xi, then it would have been x means, tell me students, x means 10 plus 1, this is equal to 11. Okay, if it was xi, that means we have to add 1 to the x. X means 10. If it is vi, that means we have to add 1 to v. V means 5. This is the fourth rule. What does the fifth rule says? The fifth rule says a numeral placed after one of greater value is added to the numeral of greater value. A numeral placed after one of greater value is added to the numeral of the greater value. Like if it is written xv, we know x means 10 and v means 5. So what we will do? We will do x plus v. This is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. If the numeral is bigger, if x is bigger, we know x is bigger than v. So in this case we will add 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay. What does the sixth rule says? When a symbol stands between symbols of greater value, like this is the greater value, we know this means 10 and this means 5, and if the symbol stands between symbols of greater value, it is grouped with the symbol on the right. So this is the middle value. Okay, this is the symbol that stands in between the greater value and the smaller value. The greater value is x, the smaller value is v. So I comes in between the greater and the smaller value. In this case, this I will be grouped. This I will be grouped with the right of the symbol. I के right में v है. V is in the right of I. So I will be grouped with v. So in this case also we will add x means 10 and grouping will be done with I and v. I and v means we have already studied rule number, tell me students, rule number 3. Okay. So in this case I plus v means 4. What was rule number 3? If I is placed before v or x, we subtract 1 from v. So iv means 4. So we will add 10 plus 4. This is the grouping. We did the grouping of I and v. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. These are the rules, students. You have to be very clear with the rules. Then only this Roman numerals topic will be clear to you. Practice more and more and more. Then only this topic will be very clear to you. Now I have few examples. I would request you to write the Roman numerals for few numbers and also write the numbers for the Roman numerals. Let's take the example of writing the Roman numerals. Let's do it together. So here is the first example, that is 28. We know 28 means 20 plus 8. Now how do we write 20? We can write 20 as 10 plus 10. This is equal to 20 and 8. Okay. Now 10 and 10. We write Roman number for 10 as x. Again 10 as x. And 8 can be written as 5 plus 3. 5 is v. And for 3 we add 1, 1, 1. This is 28. Clear? Now take 11. 11 means 10 plus 1. How do we write 10? 10 is written as x and 1 is written as I. This is 11. Now it is 35. 35 can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. Now what is the Roman number for 10? X. Again plus 10x plus 10x. This is 30. 5 is written as V. This is 35. Clear everyone? Now write the numbers for the Roman numerals. This is X, X, V. X means 10. Again X means 10. And V means 5. So if we add 10 plus 10 plus 5, we get 25. So this is the Roman number 25. Now it is V, I. So we have studied rule number 4. It is said if I is placed after V, we add. So V is 5 and we will add 1 because I is placed after V. Again there is I. Again there is I. That means we have to add 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. So VII is equal to 7. Let's take another example. Triple X and I. Triple X, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10. And I means 1. So we will add 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10 is equal to 30 plus 1 is equal to 31. Clear everyone? So we have converted Roman numbers into numerals and we have also converted the numbers into Roman numerals. Clear? So you learn the rules, you practice with the rules, you make exercises, do practice more and more, then only this topic will be very clear to you. This is very interesting topic, believe me. You will score much and much marks. So practice your questions. Till then, bye bye, take care and think high.